To join the Elite Learners Club, you must first enroll in a course with EduBridge that is conducted by a trainer, not a self-study course. There are no club membership fees. If you are an enrolled learner, you are a club member. As soon as you join a course with us, you automatically become a Silver Club member. Isn't that great? In the Silver Club, you earn up to 10,000 Indian rupees for every family member who enrolls into our courses with your reference. In addition to that, you get some unique benefits such as access to a personalized dashboard and free learning tools. You also get free access to master classes with industry experts and a personalized resume builder which is AI-enabled. With a unique personal lifetime code assigned to you, you can maintain an additional stream of income by referring learners to all our online programs. This is one-of-a-kind club membership which helps you to learn and earn both at the same time. To upgrade your membership, simply follow these steps. Refer a friend or family member to any EduBridge course on the Learner portal. When your referral enrolls into any course at EduBridge, you will receive a cashback amount equal of up to 10,000 Indian rupees depending on the course that he/she enrolls into. Not just that, you will earn loyalty points. Here, 1 rupee is equal to 1 point. So, if you earn 10,000 Indian rupees as a cashback, your account will be credited with 10,000 points. Isn't this exciting? What is even more amazing is that as soon as you earn 7,500 points, you automatically get upgraded to the Gold Club. As soon as you earn 35,000 points, you will be upgraded to the Diamond Club. Not just that, every time you refer a friend after you become a Diamond Club member and they enroll into a course with EduBridge, you will receive 25% cashback on the course amount, an amount up to 15,000 rupees. Every time you unlock a membership, you unlock several benefits with it too. Isn't this amazing? The Platinum membership unlocks after earning 75,000 points, and with that you are entitled to all benefits that EduBridge has to offer. Our loyalty program lets you earn cashback and points and enjoy exclusive offers and rewards every time you refer a family member or friend to join our courses. It's always win-win when you are in the club. To know more, visit www.edubridgeindia.com and log into your learner portal now.